We're in Erie, Colorado today in the Westerly neighborhood looking at homes by McStain Neighborhoods. Right now I'm standing in the Haven. Beautiful home. Let's check it out. Welcome inside. So when I first come in, I'm in this nice little foyer area. Great place to get settled. Say welcome to my home. Coming down this way, we're going to pass by a coat closet and the powder bath. Over here, this is their sales center, but this would be your garage over here, wall right here. And this is a flex room, nice double doors leading out into, they have it set up as an office. If we keep on walking, we're gonna walk by our stairs leading to the basement and the stairs leading upstairs, and then it opens up into this grand two-story great room. As you can see, they feature the model here with a nice contemporary fireplace. There's a couple windows looking out into the backyard. Directly across from that, we come into the kitchen. Love the way they have it decorated, so nice and warm in here. Island, they have 4 chairs comfortably pulled up. Sink and dishwasher right here in the island, so I can still see what's going on in the great room over there while I'm, cleaning up. Plenty of countertops and cabinets in here, especially if you walk by this way. They put in the little desk here in the model, and if you turn the corner there, you're gonna find a nice walk-in pantry. Love the great cabinets in here. They got the double stack cabinets going on, lots of nice features you could choose for your home. Coming over this way, we are into the dining room space, some windows looking out into the backyard, and over this way is where you'll find your sliders leading out into your deck or patio there. And then back this way, we find the mudroom space, entrance in from your garage, coat closet, and then they put a little bench and hooks and cubbies in here and for all your outdoor gear. Okay, so that does it for the main floor. Let's head back this way, go up the stairs, and check out the second floor. Welcome upstairs. So we're gonna hang right here first. Around the corner, we're gonna pass by a linen closet and into the first secondary bedroom. Some windows looking out towards the front of the home here. And this is a special bedroom because it has its own ensuite bathroom. And do want to point out, walk-in closet there. Coming around over here, we come to a loft. What I love about this loft, first of all, it's a nice size. Second of all, it's kind of tucked away here, so if the kids are up here watching TV, it's not open to the downstairs, so blocks some of that noise. Coming over this way, we're gonna find a secondary bathroom here, toilet and the tub is in its own space, so somebody can be using the tub while someone else is washing up. We're gonna find our next secondary bedroom right here. That window's looking out towards the side of the house. And across the hall here, those windows are looking out towards the front, one looking out towards the side here. Nice little layout. This loft kind of sits between the secondary bedrooms. Love that. Want to remind you, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor, specializing in new built home sales. And if you're shopping for a new built home, give me a call. I'll help you negotiate, give you some money off with a closing cost credit. Help you save a little money. All right, here we are, second floor laundry. Love having the laundry on the second floor. Now hauling it up and down the stairs. And then back over here, tucked away on its own side of the house, we find the primary suite. Some windows looking out towards the rear of the home there. Come back over this way into the bathroom. We got a linen closet here, double sink vanity, toilet closet. We got the tub and the shower back here. Walk-in closet. All right, now this does it for the second floor. They do have the basement finished here in the model, so we're gonna trot down that way and check it out. Welcome to the basement. Okay, so over this way is just a little door that leads to some under the stairs storage. And then we have our bonus room right over here. They got their pool table set up. All right, coming back this way, door leading to your utilities and a basement bathroom. We got some closet space here. And if you come back this way, we're gonna find a secondary bedroom. And this one has a great big walk-in closet. Again, Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. We are in Erie, Colorado in the Westerly neighborhood looking at homes by McStain Neighborhoods. This is the haven. If you think this might be the right home for you, definitely give me a call. I'd love to meet you out here, see if this is the right place for you. If not, help you find that right home. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my home tours.